Evening, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you need to improve your YouTube channel because a lot of people have been saying that they want to quit their YouTube channel. Please, my dear, please don't quit. Don't quit, okay? Don't quit your YouTube channel. It will not help you. Yes, guys. So, the things that you need to do to improve your YouTube channel is that you should not give up. Please don't give up on your YouTube channel. Yes, I'm facing the things that you are facing on your channel. You will be facing low views, low comment, low engagement, and so on and so forth. Please don't give up on your YouTube channel. So what I'm going to talk about on this video is that how you are going to get more views on your videos. I know most of my videos are not getting views, but now I've understand how the algorithm work now. So there are things that you need to do on your channel so that it will make it boost so fast. Then you will get monetized. Yes, so the number one thing you need to do about your YouTube channel so that it will be growing so fast is you should post long videos. Posting long videos will help you with so many views. And one thing, guys, you don't know about this YouTube is that you don't need to give up on posting videos. Please don't give up on posting videos. Long videos will help you on your channel. Now, okay, imagine now if you start posting short, like one of my channel that I started posting short, then I went on posting long videos, but the long videos are not getting views. So don't do this type of mistake that I did on my own channel. Start posting long videos. Don't start with short. Post long videos. From the long videos, you will get more engagement, more views. If your viewers are used to your long videos, they will be engaging on your videos. You understand? So please focus on long videos. You don't need to give up on your channel, okay? Please don't give up. And facing the things that you are facing, please don't give up. Yes, one day your video may go viral. It will go viral. From there, you will know that yes, what I'm saying is true. So there are things that I still do on my channel. There are things that I turn it on. So I'll make a video on that. So please don't give up on your YouTube channel, okay? Just focus, try your best, and be posting 2 or more videos every day. If you are posting consistently, there will be one video that it will go viral. Let's say you post in the morning, you post in the afternoon, you post in the evening. From those videos, go and sit down and check which video go far. From there, you will know that this is the kind of videos that I need to start posting. I need to start creating. Yes, I know a lot of people are complaining about niche. Niche too, it helps about your niche. Yes, so try your best and try this thing that I'm telling you. You will not, you will thank me later. Yes. So try and focus on long form videos. It will help you a lot. You don't need to give up on your YouTube channel, okay? That thinking that you were thinking that I will quit my channel, don't quit, please. Because now in this country there's no any job. It's only God that will help us. So please don't give up on your YouTube channel, okay? Yes, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and comment. Yes, I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.